His only teacher was YouTube. A young man named Hassan was born into a poor family in Morocco. He had two younger brothers and his parents couldn't afford to send all of them to school. So Hassan decided to take it upon himself to teach his brothers at home. His father, seeing how responsible Hassan was being, told him that if he could read the Quran, then he would be able to enroll his youngest brother in school. So Hassan took it upon himself to not only learn the Quran, but also become an expert in it so that his brother could have a better future. He started by going to the local library, but soon realized that he needed more than the books there to achieve his goal. At this point, Hassan was just 12 years old, but he had the ambition and determination of someone much older. So he turned on his computer and began searching online for courses about the Quran. That's when he stumbled across an online academy that offered free Quran courses. Alhamdulillah, he enrolled and began his journey. Every day after school, Hassan would spend hours and hours studying. He would read the lessons, watch the videos over and over again until he understood them, and then he would do the exercises. His determination and hard work paid off because within 2 years, he finished all the courses and became an expert in the Quran. Not only did he teach himself the Quran, but Hassan also became fluent in Arabic. He continued to educate himself and eventually learned English as well. After all that, he went back to the online academy and got a job as an online teacher. Even though he was just 14 years old, he was one of the best teachers there. One day, the founder of the online academy noticed Hassan in one of the group chats helping the students. The founder was impressed by Hassan's knowledge and asked him how he became so fluent in Arabic and knowledgeable about the Quran. When Hassan told him his story, the founder felt inspired and decided to take Hassan under his wing and mentor him. He also helped Hassan create his own channels so that he could spread his knowledge to even more people. On his channel, Hassan talks about different topics related to Islam, and he also teaches Arabic. Today, Hassan's channel has millions of subscribers from all around the world. Not only did Hassan achieve his goal of becoming a teacher, but he is now one of the most prominent scholars in his field. When Hassan started his journey, his only source of income was YouTube. But today, he is one of the highest paid teachers on the platform. He was even invited to speak at TEDx, where he talked about the importance of utilizing online platforms to spread knowledge. In an interview with Hassan, he said, "The internet has made it possible for anyone to become successful. You don't need to be in a certain place or have a certain background. All you need is a good idea and the determination to succeed." After hearing Hassan's story, we can all agree that the internet has opened up so many opportunities for people to learn new things and become successful. We should all take advantage of these opportunities and never give up on our dreams, no matter how difficult they may seem. If you want to become successful, then you need to be determined and never give up on your goals. No matter what obstacles you face, keep moving forward and you will eventually reach your destination. Just like Hassan, who started out as a 12-year-old boy with a dream of teaching his brother the Quran and ended up becoming one of the most successful teachers on YouTube. So what are you waiting for? Start today and don't wait until it's too late. Do and forget to share this story with your friends and family so that they can also be inspired to follow their dreams. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.